So with the gauges going crazy, one of the things that people like doing is to put a ground strap from the TCM, the transmission control unit, to the ground. But clearly this is a manual transmission, so that is not the fix for this car's problem. One of the things that does work is the number 25 fuse by the BCM. Somehow get some corrosion built up on it, and it definitely works replacing it. And usually it lasts, I don't know, probably about a year or so. So it's this 10 amp fuse right here, number 25, and when I pull it out, you look at the diagram, there is number 25. Number 25 is the ECM and TCM. So I think there's probably some sort of ground issue for the ECM and TCM, and that's why putting the extra round on the transmission control module usually works. But this definitely works. To replace the fuse. Can't really tell on camera, but there is definitely some corrosion there, some black, and replacing it with a new one usually works. So another area to look for broken wire is in this wiring harness right here, which is your main wiring harness from your ECU to your engine controls. And right next to the oil filter is a sharp metal piece. Sometimes that'll actually dig in and break wires in here.